Hey guys, so when they asked me if I wanted to review a fidget spinner, I was like, oh boy, do I? It's red, the most fantastical colour in the whole wide world. Look at it, oh, it's amazing. Everything in my toy review is super over exaggerated. Look, it spins on your finger. Oh. Wait, no fucking way. Oh shit, it spins on all your fingers. Oh, we need to try the thumb. Oh, please, please. Oh, 300,000 likes if it spins on your thumb, please. Oh my god, it's super fantastical! But, does it spin on the table? Oh, need you all to subscribe here, right? 500,000 likes if it spins on the table. Oh my god, it's fucking brilliant!